What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're up at Mountain Creek with Dan. It is January 4th, 2021. First snowboard sesh of the new year.
I can't believe we haven't boarded since last year.
Dude, it's been a whole year since I went snowboarding. Anyway, we're about to take our first run, see how conditions are. I'll let you guys know, and should be a fun day. Creek got a little bit of snow, a little bit of rain last night. Don't know how it's gonna be, but it should be sick. One more thing before we jump into the video. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this winter. So if you are enjoying the content, I am uploading daily, and I would appreciate it if you guys subscribe for me and stuck around to be part of the journey to 1,000 subscribers. We just hit 500 the other day. Super stoked on the support, and let's keep growing, boys. We got this. Let's jump into this video right there. Woo! Pound it. Woo! Yeah. All right, guys, figured I'd give you a quick conditions update. What's going on up here? Conditions are a bit slushy, but not yet. Like, it's still firm from overnight, and the rain's packed in the snow, so everything's running pretty quick. It's definitely fast. It's definitely fun. I'd totally come up today or tomorrow if I was you. And I will be here again tomorrow, but I'll be over on Vernon teaching my friend how to snowboard, so that'll be a funny video. So you guys should definitely stick around for that. But yeah, we're gonna jump into more snowboarding. Hopefully run into less people trying to murder us this run, and yeah, have some fun, that's for sure. Right, Dan?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. All right, let's go, baby. Woo! All right, we've taken a few runs, and we have got some people back here. You can already see Anthony.
Hello.
The big sip is here. Brian's here. First appearance on the vlog this winter.
Hello.
For all of you who don't know Brian, all you new subscribers, he's a constant in all of the other Mountain Creek vlogs.
And a spin master.
I lurk.
He does. He lurks. All right, guys, just want to say thanks a lot to Anthony over here for filming that last run. Fun run. I enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it. Anthony filmed it. It was perfect. And now I'm just going to film the boys for a few runs, and we're probably going to head out. Yeah. All right, peace. Oh, not close. Okay. My knee caught your board, and I flipped over and landed on my back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm good. Truck. All right, guys, we're back in the car. Finished up a sick day at Creek. Here with Dan. We're in Dan's car today. That's why I'm on the wrong side. I'm in the passenger seat. Kind of weird, not gonna lie. Anyway, had a pretty fun day. Dan and I nearly killed each other. It was sick. Honestly, it ended... Hello. Honestly, it ended up fine. We did crash into each other. That happens. On slushy days, you don't get a lot of control and stuff, and kind of stuff happens. So stay safe out there, but have a good time with your buddies. We definitely had a good time. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of this winter, so please subscribe for me. I really appreciate it, and join the... I don't have a name for my subscribers yet, but like... Do you have one?
No, not a good one.
We'll call it...
I got Powder Pals.
Let me know what you think of Powder Pals. But for now, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.